Alex's journey: demystifying taxes across borders. Alex is a 32-year-old digital nomad from Brazil who travels the world while working online. But wherever he went, whether New York, Berlin, or Tokyo, one thing always came up: taxes. Confusing, frustrating, and sometimes scary, taxes seemed like an impossible puzzle. Until Alex decided to learn how to take control. Taxes are everywhere and they're not just a burden. Alex discovered that every country has its own tax system, but they all share a purpose: to fund government services. He learned, in the US, income tax rates vary by state and income level. In Germany, VAT, value-added tax, is included in prices, usually around 19%. In Australia, people pay a Medicare levy for healthcare alongside income tax. Taxes are complicated, yes, but they also connect citizens to their communities. Understanding your tax obligations as a freelancer. As a freelancer, Alex's income came from clients worldwide. That meant he had to track income in different currencies. He needed to understand where he was legally required to pay taxes in his home country or where he earned the money. He learned about double taxation agreements, treaties between countries that prevent you from paying taxes twice on the same income. His biggest tool? Research and consulting with tax professionals. The magic of tax deductions and credits. Alex discovered that taxes weren't just about paying money sometimes. You could reduce what you owed. Common deductions for freelancers like him included home office expenses, internet and phone bills, travel costs for business equipment like laptops and software. He also found out about tax credits, which directly reduce tax owed, like education or healthcare credits, depending on the country. The tax filing process: breaking it down. Alex used different methods depending on where he was. In Canada, he used simple online portals with step-by-step guidance. In Spain, he visited a local tax office and got help from staff. In the Philippines, he worked with an accountant to file quarterly taxes. He learned to keep all documents organized: invoices, receipts, bank statements, because proof matters. How to stay ahead and avoid trouble. Alex learned to set aside money regularly for taxes. Don't wait till the deadline and scramble. Be honest and transparent. Mistakes happen, but hiding info leads to fines. Keep updated. Tax laws change frequently, especially for freelancers and digital workers. His advice: treat taxes like a marathon, not a sprint. The empowerment of understanding taxes. With each tax season, Alex felt less stressed and more empowered. Taxes became a way to take responsibility and support the places that welcomed him. He even started a blog sharing tips for fellow digital nomads and freelancers worldwide, helping others demystify the tax maze. Taxes are a global challenge, but mastering them is possible with patience and learning. Whether you're in Rio, Rome, or Riyadh, knowing the basics: your obligations, deductions, deadlines, and rights, turns taxes from a burden into a manageable part of life. Subscribe, follow for more. For real stories and simple advice to handle adulting challenges worldwide, subscribe and follow. Your journey to smarter living starts here.